Do-it-yourselfers are prepping and staining their home's wood fences and decks in a whole new way for longer-lasting durability and beauty. And it all begins here in Richmond, Indiana, the home of DEFY wood cleaning and wood stain products, where DEFY sales representatives like to say their exterior wood stain will defy the elements.
So individuals that have decks, fences, exterior wood furniture, that's a big investment on their part, and they want to protect it. So DEFY is the premium choice for them to protect that investment. Consider it as sunscreen for wood. The UVs literally reflect off of our coating as opposed to being absorbed, which allows for our products to last and protect the investment at least a year longer than anything else on the market. The benefit of being an employee-owned company is that every aspect of the production and promotion of the product that goes to the consumer was created wholeheartedly with their benefit in mind.
We use Nano Zinc in our DEFY formula because it helps prevent any kind of leaching from your wood. It also prevents water absorption, and it helps protect your wood from a lot of harmful UV rays, which makes the stain last and look really good over time. The really cool thing about the Nano Zinc is that it actually will rejuvenate itself over time, so it'll use itself up and then it will build itself back up, and it continues to give you those really good products in your DEFY stain.
Your home's exterior wood stain must beautify, be water resistant, and protect from the sun's harmful UV rays. And listen up, DIYers, because doing it yourself is easier than you think.
The deck's my happy place, and I moved into the house last fall. I inherited a deck that just wasn't taken care of. It had a red paint on it that I wasn't personally happy with, so it was time to finish the deck, to turn it into something that I was happy with, something I feel matched the house better, and a place where I can't wait to enjoy a coffee and listen to the birds and watch the squirrels every morning. If you can hold a paintbrush, you could stain a deck. It's really simple to do. When I went onto DEFY's website, I did learn that you need to clean and brighten first. I'm glad I took those steps, especially with a deck that hadn't been taken care of for quite some time. I chose DEFY because they were manufactured right here in Richmond, Indiana. They are an employee-owned company, and they also have what they call a zinc nanotechnology, which is supposed to protect the wood from the sun and help it last a couple more seasons, meaning that I'm not going to have to spend every summer on my deck making it look pretty. I couldn't be happier with the way the deck turned out. The white is so crisp and clean instead of the dirty wood that I had before. It's my happy place. It's a place I come out to once or twice a day, and it matches the house better. It looks more modern. It's beautiful. It's a great place to hang out. If I was going to talk to a do-it-yourselfer, I would absolutely recommend DEFY. The product looks fantastic. It was easy to apply. With that zinc technology, I know I'm not going to have to be out here every year redoing the job. I would also recommend that you go to DEFY's website and look at the how-to videos that they have. It made the job significantly easier for me.
Stripping and cleaning your home's deck or fence is a smart idea prior to staining.
It is important to strip or clean your wood prior to staining to remove any mill scale or dirt or debris that has built up on your deck so the stain penetrates properly. You can tell when it's time for a maintenance coat when the stain is not as vibrant as it used to be. It's losing some of its color and luster. You go out, do a water test, sprinkle a little bit of water on the surface. If it absorbs in, you know that it'll absorb stain. So that process is cleaning with a brightener and then applying a maintenance coat. So we are an ESOP. That means that we are employee owned. Every employee here is an owner. So you talk to the guys on the floor, you talk to the people in customer service. We're owners, we're invested. All of our products are made in America. And what that means for the end user is you know that you're getting a product made with pride and a lot of love is put into it.
If there's one thing we learned, it's important to defy the elements with products from DEFY. Available at Amazon.com, Walmart.com, and select Do It Best member stores nationwide. Learn how to stain like a pro while beautifying your home's wood fencing and deck. For more information, visit DefyWoodstain.com.